In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an auction on eBay, guiding you through each step in detail so that you can confidently create your own auction listings. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type in eBay. Once you see the search results, click on the first link to take you to the eBay homepage. To begin listing an item, you need to be signed in. Look at the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Sign In button. Log in with your accounts, such as your email and password. Once you are logged in, you're ready to proceed. Next, locate the My eBay drop-down menu at the top of the page. Click on the small arrow beside it to expand the menu. From the options provided, click on Selling. Now you're in the selling interface where you can start the process of listing your item for auction. You'll want to click on List an Item next. This action will guide you to the initial stage of creating your auction listing. Here, you need to search for the item you want to sell. Type keywords that accurately describe your item into the search bar. Once you find the correct item from the search results, click on it to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to select the condition of your item. This is an important step as it informs potential buyers about the quality and wear of the product. After selecting the appropriate condition, click Continue to Listing. It's time to add visuals to your listing. Click Upload from Computer to add photos of your item. High-quality, clear photographs can significantly enhance your listing, so try to capture your item from multiple angles. With the visuals in place, proceed to enter an item title. Make sure this title is descriptive and includes key details that would attract potential buyers. Once the title is set, you can further refine your listing by changing the brand or type if necessary. Also, include additional details like color or any other significant attribute that might affect buyer interest. Move on to the pricing section. Ensure that the format is set to auction, not fixed price. Then decide on the auction's duration. Typically, auctions last from 1 to 10 days, depending on how quickly you wish to sell. Enter your starting bid amount, which is the lowest price you're willing to accept. The final step is to review all your listing information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied that everything is set, click on List It to make your auction live. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to listing an auction on eBay. Feel free to revisit parts of this video if you need more clarity on certain steps. Happy selling!